Hello everybody, it's Christine. I thought I might do my unboxing of my design team box I get from the scrap room from Miss Rochelle. She always is so kind to us. We sign up for projects, but we get the whole like flavors of the month plus some couple of add-ons. So and I've peeked already, and I can already see she's given us extra goodies from last month. So she's been really nice to us this month. I have to tell you guys, if you want our industry to do well and survive and all that, this is a small business. This lady is so sweet. She was telling us like she had jury duty and then her internet went out. I mean, you get these life stories. So I really encourage you to check out the small businesses, especially Rochelle over at the scrap room. I just think she's adorable. And so anyways, that's just my plug for her. This is technically not like sponsored by her in a way, except for the fact, of course, she gave me the stuff. So I guess it is. She didn't know I was doing it. Let me put it that way. So this month, I'm going to pull this off because it has a list of things and I'll read it to you. As you can see, she gave us extra goodies for last month. So I think this is the, I still have it over here. Let me see here. This is the Simple Stories Color Me Happy. So she's giving me extra foams here. So I'm going to slap that right in there. That's going to go. I keep them together until I use pretty much all the flavors of the month up. And I keep my current month like right there. So that is that one. Now, let's look at our next here. So the June 2026 flavors of the month. So this is going to be the flavors of the month. I then also get the pattern paper add-on. And I get the embellishment add-on. So our first collection is the 49 and Market from the garden. Which, again, cannot brag enough about these laser cuts. This is so pretty. Look at all these florals. First off, you can always use a floral. Then I have, and this is that nice thick paper, you guys. Do you hear that? 49 and Market's papers. Okay, so there's that beautiful piece there. I could see photos or something coming along this vertical. This is almost like a vertical band, and you could use that as your journaling. This could be a really easy paper. Oh, this is beautiful. Looks like almost like a wallpaper. It's like a beautiful floral. And then we have a kind of a weathered looking polka dot with some cool little texture pieces on back there. And then, oh, how neat is that? It's a book with like a little book, library card looking thing. You could fussy cut this out. That's really beautiful. And then we have a diagonal stripe, a little bit weathered. And then another, like, this is almost junk journaly. I mean, very junk journaly, if you think of it that way. And that's beautiful too, like little stamps along the side. Again, these papers can do a lot of the work for you if you let it. And then we always get a couple pieces of cardstock, and this is, again, the flavors of the month. And the color on this one is, I guess it's called Smoke cardstock. She does such a great job matching those pattern papers to the cardstock. So I'm going to keep that aside. So that's our flavors of the month part. And then, again, I get the extra, you know what? Let me see. Maybe I get the extra pattern papers. I usually like to label these, though, so I may wait on these for just a second. Well, no, I'll show you. So the pattern paper add-on is these two sheets. Again, very junk journaling. It looks like you got this printed lace looking thing. You could put your photo in this area. And then we have another, oh, that's neat. You could cut or tear or what do you want to do here? This looks like papers along the side with a tone-on-tone kind of yellow floral. And then a really pretty, this again looks a lot like the old-timey wallpapers. You got that really beautiful green tone-on-tone with a nice weathered edge. And then this really pretty piece, which you got the greenery on the outside. Again, some more little bits and pieces that are just kind of printed in there. Again, very junk journaly. And then for the extra embellishments, that was the pattern paper add-on. And then my embellishment add-on, I got more laser cuts here. I don't know if I want to pull all that out. I'm a little bit nervous about that. I want to make a big mess. So I'm going to leave that over there. All right, so the next collection is Echo Park It's Time to Travel, which is great because it's summertime. Everybody's kind of, I shouldn't say everybody, but a lot of people do like vacations in the summer with the kiddos. And so we have our embellishment that comes with the flavors of the month is the sticker sheet. I'm a fan of sticker sheets. I always add foam behind them, but there's a ton to work with. You can always layer them. There's little wordy bits. Echo Park does a good job with that. Really fun stuff. Oh, look at that. Travel United States. Very much road trip stuff. And then we have our pattern paper. This has got a bunch of stamps on it. And then we have a nice tone-on-tone, very, very nice basic paper here for a background. Then we have a beautiful plaid. And the back of that is, oh, the 4x4 cut-aparts. So you can certainly cut these out. You could use, this is cute. This could be like fussy cut out, fussy cut. You do all these. Cute little title here. Oh, I love this. Travel is where stories are born and memories are made. What a great title. Little journaling spot. So a couple of pieces. I don't know. That's going to be one hard one because I like the plaid, but these are some great little cutouts. Adventure is waiting. And then we have a beautiful blue, which again, another nice background piece. And then also the little, like, I don't know. I call these key, like the old-timey typewriters with the individual letters like as circles. You got travel, discover. There's a bunch of little words here. You could use a hole punch, maybe a 1/2-inch hole punch, and punch out your letters to make titles. So we'll see how that goes. And then our cardstock is Fig Swirl. That's a favorite. I like that one. So we'll keep that one together. That is our flavors of the month. So again, when you get the subscription, you get flavors of the month. You'll get this 4 sets here. And then you do the add-ons, you would get extra. You get the extra stuff, this pattern paper add-on. So this is really cute. These are little luggage carts. And then a nice little neutral polka dot here. Again, a nice background. And then a yellow tone-on-tone with a bunch of little travel-y things. And then this pretty paper with the sky-ish color with the planes and passports and stuff. These are great papers. So we'll keep this together. Then our next and I'll get the... Well, I should tell you. So the embellishment add-on looks like it's going to be the enamel dots. I don't want to open this, but I guess I'm going to have to. I like to, like I said, I usually put like a little post-it note on it so that when I do my design team videos, I can tell you guys, oh, we get 2 of them. Unless that was a boo-boo, which I would, or she was just being generous. I suspect you get 1 when you get your extra, but I don't know that's true. She does give very generous things. So at least 1 set of the enamel dots, potentially 2. The third collection is the Pink Fresh Crafted Moments. Ooh, this is looking pretty. So your embellishments are going to be with your flavors of the month. They're going to be these little bits of ephemera. And Pink Fresh is pretty generous too. Oh, there's a little piece of chipboard in here. Let's see if I can get this out. You got your floral bits here, which I adore. These are always great for clustering around your title and different things. Oh, there's little wordy bits. Together, keep growing. Now, you'll get a different, you could potentially, I should say, get different things because she gives a sampling, right? So you get like a little sample of everything. So your pieces may be different, but these are really cute. Look at this hot air balloon. That's really cute. Great little journaling spot and then some chipboard. So that would be the embellishments and the flavors of the month. And then here's our paper. So cute floral with this. Oh, this is neat. This almost looks like a harlequin, but it's got the little scallopy edge. That's really cute. There's a great plaid. And y'all know I like to frame my layout, so these are great for frames. Oh, this is really fun. Really, really fun. A citrus thing going on with these little pixelated squares. I love that. That's really neat. And then we have this more purpley, bluey background with these. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at the butterflies, you guys. I could see Fussy cutting these out, too. And then we have a avalanche basil cardstock to go with that. So loving that set, actually. I love that. Let me set that aside. And then our pattern paper add-on. Okay, this is so wonderful. Not going to lie. Really, really love these types because these are absolutely fussy cuttable. And then you organize them on your page. These are little, it almost looks quilted, little hexagons. Then you got this great green tone-on-tone background. Again, could frame it. So this could be, I could cut these out and then still have my green frame. I love that. Pink. And then a pretty little border top deal. Now these can be cut off individually as well. I've seen some cute ideas with that. So we'll set that aside. That's our pattern paper add-on. And then the embellishment add-on is the, I think it is the puffy letters. I think it's the puffy letters. Let me see. Yes, it's the puffy letters. So we get, but it says color varies. So she might have different colors going out to the different ones, but look how pretty that is. I love this font, if I'm honest. It's really great for small titles. And by the way, I'm looking at the list. It looks like it would have been one enamel dot. Stop. Sorry about that. The dogs are growling. Don't know why. And then the last collection we hear is Simple Stories Say Cheese Happiest Place. Oh, y'all, I got Disney's. Okay, this is adorable. So it's a little Disney collection. So if you're a fan of Disney, this would have been your jam. So we have this cute, which of course this is adorable. Really cute, fun floral, like kind of like cartoony-ish. And then we have Ticket to Ride on the back, amusement park, things like that. A cute star, again, a little bit like puffy looking, almost cartoonish-y, with a nice red. Oh, that's pretty. A cute polka dot. Got the primary colors going on there, and another really great stripe. Love that. Not gonna lie. Our cardstock is Sweet Walnut Creek. Is that the name of that? Walnut Cream. I don't know what I was reading. And then in the flavors of the month, you get these great embellishments here. I can already see this is so cute, you guys. Look at the little mini Mickey. That's cute. A couple of those little loved ones. Oh, those are cute. A couple little like just amusement parks. So you don't have to have Disney necessarily. There's also these like more generic amusement parks. Single rider. That's cute. A couple little tickety pieces. Again, this would be different based on what you get in your little batch. But I suspect you'll get some Disney stuff. Magic everywhere. This is so cute. You don't even have to do this. Like, it doesn't have to be if you're at Disney. Like, I could totally see this being like a cute little like couples page. You know, something like that. Cute hot air balloon. Oh, this is really cute. I mean, this could be like a birthday thing or something. Say cheese. This is great. You get some foam stickers. Oh, this is too cute, you guys. So that is the flavors of the month part. And then the paper add-on is these two here. So you got this like, I don't know, fireworksy looking one. And then some cut-aparts. Like, see, life is more magical with you. You could totally do these. This does not have to be at the park. You could totally do these as like little cutie couple ones or something, or birthday type stuff even. And then here's another plaid. And then this is really cute. Mickey Mouse here. You could do, this is a great background for like a base page. So there's our pattern paper add-on. And then the embellishment add-on is the sticker sheet. And y'all, I'm only keeping these together because I don't want to lose track of which one's what. These are great little stickers. You got the wordy bits. You got little tabs. I like those, and little labels. So this is a great one. This is the, I thought they usually labeled them as like something, but I think this is like the labels sticker. So that is our fun box this month. That is my opening. This is my design team box, but technically, frankly, you guys, as subscribers, you get this. I will tell you, too, the other thing she does, if you're a subscriber, is you get cut files. So there's a cut file. This is the June cut file. So make sure you check that out. So I will have the link to the website in the Facebook group below, because she does do challenges in there, too. And, yeah, I hope you had a good time. I know I did, because I'm excited. We'll see you next time. Bye.